Welcome to the Biomedics video submission series. This is video number 6 in our special de novo series, focusing on FDA pathways for first-of-a-kind medical devices. Innovation starts with discovery, and every breakthrough brings new regulatory challenges. Our instructor will guide you through what you need to know to navigate the de novo process with confidence. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. For regulatory decisions, always consult directly with the FDA.
Welcome back to our de novo series. In Part 6, we'll discuss standards and references that support your de novo submission. Using recognized consensus standards strengthens your application by demonstrating that your device meets established safety and performance expectations. Commonly used FDA-recognized standards include ISO 14971 for risk management, ISO 10993 for biocompatibility, IEC 6601 for electrical safety, IEC 62304 for software development and lifecycle documentation. The FDA maintains a searchable recognized consensus standards database, accessible on the FDA's website. When you use a recognized standard, include a declaration of conformity in your submission. This declaration confirms that your device complies with the specified version of the standard. Using standards can streamline the FDA review process and reduce the amount of additional data the FDA may request. However, the use of standards is voluntary. If you choose not to use a recognized standard, you must provide alternate evidence to demonstrate your device's safety and effectiveness. Always confirm you are using the FDA-recognized version of the standard. Different editions may not be accepted unless a clear justification is provided. In addition to standards, you should be familiar with key FDA guidance documents. One of the most important is the Novo classification process, evaluation of automatic Class 3 designation. This document explains how to classify novel devices that lack a legally marketed predicate, what to include in your de novo request, how FDA applies general and special controls to determine classification, and how to proceed with or without a prior 510(k) submission. The de novo pathway is governed by Section 513(f)(2) of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. It allows the FDA to classify a device as Class 1 or 2 based on the device's risk profile and the adequacy of general and special controls to ensure safety and effectiveness. You may pursue a de novo request after receiving a not substantially equivalent NSE decision from a 510(k) or as a direct de novo submission if you believe no valid predicate device exists. Understanding the regulatory foundation of the de novo pathway and aligning your submission with FDA-recognized standards and guidance will help ensure your application is complete, focused, and ready for review. In our next video, we'll examine real-world case studies and lessons learned from successful de novo submissions. Thank you for watching.